Typhoon number 10 hit southwestern Japan in late August. 6 people were killed and over 100 were injured. Trains and flights were cancelled. Schools and offices were closed.
Typhoon number 10 is also called Typhoon Sansan. Who names typhoons?
In 1953, the US began to give women's names to storms. In 1978, men's names began to be used too. Since 2000, 14 countries have used a list of 140 names for North Pacific storms.
Sansan is a girl's name in Hong Kong.
By the way, what is the difference between typhoons, hurricanes, and cyclones? Typhoons hit North Pacific Oceans. Hurricanes hit North America. And cyclones hit the South Pacific and Indian Ocean.